How to log in to ADP Payroll. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in to ADP Payroll. Now if you're wondering, then what you can do is you can head into your browser and you can search in for ADP Payroll login, as I've done so on the screen. Now on the screen you can see I'm on Google Chrome and I've searched in for ADP Payroll login, and you can see the very first link here, login option, or down below you can see sign in to ADP user ID. Remember user ID. You want to simply tap on the second link or the first link, any page you want. I'll just recommend second link since it's easy and it'll redirect you directly to the sign in page. Now here you can see it's taking some time to load up, but eventually it will load up. You might want to wait for a while, and you can see it'll ask you for user ID. You want to simply tap on user ID and tap on next. You can tap on remember user ID if you don't want to enter in your user ID next time you log in, and once you do so here you want to tap on next and it'll ask you for password. You want to simply enter in your password and you'll be able to log in. So this way you can easily log in to ADP Payroll. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.